Hey, welcome back to another Santa Maria Pier and construction update. As you can see behind me, over there, a platform has arrived. I just spoke to one of the construction workers. That's there to do a ground test under the water to see how far they can put posts. They're going to dig down 5 holes, 16 meters, to see if it's rock, sand, so they know how to support the pier when they construct it. It's going to be there for about a month and a half to do tests. So that's that. So things are moving along. You can see from the drone footage I'm showing you that the hotel is coming far along as well. A few buildings have been constructed. There's lots of people going around. So stuff is moving, stuff's happening. So please like and subscribe so you'll get notifications when I have another update on the construction of the pier and the hotels moving around and all the other videos that I do. Now enjoy some more drone footage of the construction and some music.
Underneath the stars, we lay no dreams. Santa Maria, hear the call of the breeze, with the sound of the waves. Peace comes with ease. Build the dreams, let the laughter flow. Where the ocean meets land, a beachfront paradise crafted by hand. Guests will come from miles away to feel the breeze and the sun's warm play. Lift the spirits high, let the rhythm sway. Santa Maria, hear the call of the breeze, with the sound of the waves. Peace comes with ease. Build the dreams, let the laughter flow. In this paradise, where the good vibes grow. Santa Maria, the future is here. With every wave we build without fear. At Santa Maria, where the sun hits the sea, building dreams waves in the breeze. A beachfront hotel, a paradise tea. Soft sands away as the world spins slow. Hope in our hearts as the tides ebb and flow. Santa Maria, where dreams take flight, building our future, shining so bright. With every heartbeat, together we stand in this reggae rhythm, hand in hand. Families gather, laughter fills the air. Colors of culture, it's mixing everywhere. Sunsets glow, paints the sky a vibrant hue. As we lay the foundation for something new. So let the rhythms play, let the music guide.